mean when I say
Sweet 5,
that I'm sorry.
3/4,
If I could change things, girl,
walk it 5, 6,
don't you think I would?
1.
Now I'm down on my knees and I'm asking God,
4 to 10.
why would you do this to me? Why would you do this to me? Oh, if only I love you like you wanted to, then everything would be alright. And if only it was that easy, if only it was that simple, if only I could get my fingers,
To that special wall, push up 1, 2, and 3. Walk forward 5, 6, restart 1, 2.
Oh, it's killing me bad. If I explain myself, baby, you wouldn't understand. It's all this love that you're giving, I can't return. And I feel like I'm let you down, let you down. If only I could love you like you want me to, then everything would be alright. And if only it was that easy, if only it was that simple, if only I could click my fingers, and if only I could love you like you want to, then